Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of our Irish Country Life, here again in the island of love. I'm still on holiday and today I feel like a millionaire. I've taken you to the most magnificent house here in the capital of Cyprus called Nicosia, to my friend Niggy's house. She is actually teaching me today how to make her lovely famous orange cake, which I'll be making for you in another video later on. But today I just wanted to show you her beautiful house and her beautiful gardens here in Nicosia. So I really do feel today like a millionaire outside this magnificent home. Niggy is a very dear friend. She came from England about 30 years ago and she built this beautiful house here in Cyprus. So I'm going to take you and show you one of the most amazing gardens in Cyprus, I would say, because people don't have gardens here in Cyprus because it's so hot, but she spends a lot of time and a lot of energy on maintaining these gardens and making them look and feel a little bit like her English gardens when she lived in London. Okay, so this bed over here has again got some bonsai trees, it's got some alpines, and it's got the magnificent birds of paradise, which I will show you a couple of flowers of the birds of paradise later. And I just adore this palm tree. It's absolutely wonderful. Really beautiful. There are many different sections to this garden, so I'm not going to talk through the whole thing, but there's going to be some sections that I'm going to point out to you. And I just love the fact that she's done this little alpine garden full of Mediterranean white stones with big rocks and some lovely old Greek pots, which I can show you. And I just love them. They're just adorable. I too have taken a little bit of this for my garden back home in Ireland. Her Greek bonsai trees, which she shapes meticulously, not particularly these ones. She hasn't got round to finishing these ones yet, but she has been out manicuring these ones and they just look magnificent. Here we have some lovely yellow roses which smell absolutely amazing. And these palm trees, I have to show you these palm trees. She actually has to get a man to come and he climbs these palm trees with his bare feet to get up to the top to cut the dead leaves off. It's truly amazing what she does here in this garden. I'll take you over here and show you the little pomegranates. And here we have a little ornamental pomegranate bush, which as you can see has the most fabulous little pomegranates. Really lovely. I just adore this. Beautiful tree. This is another Birds of Paradise. This is the big leaf one with a big flower which flowers at Christmas time. A big white Birds of Paradise. Oh, how I feel like Julius Caesar with this big leaf in front of me. Get somebody to fan me down with it. And here we have another Mediterranean alpine garden bit with some lovely pots again, some pelargoniums, geraniums, some more bonsai and some more Birds of Paradise. This is a lovely palm tree as well. I could be in the Bahamas, couldn't I, with this fabulous shirt and all these lovely palm trees. Ooh. Here we have our family of chickens, and hopefully these are the ones that laid the eggs for our beautiful orange cake that we've made today. Now I'm going to sit down and have my beautiful fresh lemonade, maybe on the swing. This beautiful bonsai tree in the most amazing Grecian pot, absolutely out of this world. I hope Chris is doing a great job filming all of this so that you can get as much pleasure as what I'm getting out of this video today. And that orange cake has just come out of the oven. So we're going to let it cool, we're going to put the syrup, the orange syrup on, and then we're going to turn it onto a plate, and then I'm going to let you see what it's like, and we're going to enjoy some lovely food that Niggy's prepared earlier. And she's even made homemade baklava, but no, that's for another day. Thank you for watching our video today here in Nicosia in Cyprus, part of my lovely summer holiday. Thank you to my friend Niggy for letting us video her wonderful garden and for showing me how to make this beautiful orange cake, which I will show you in a video very soon. So don't forget, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And thank you again for watching. From Nikolai, Chris, our film crew for today, and Scooter of course is not here in hot Cyprus. He's back in Ireland, in cold, wet west coast of Ireland, but he sends his love to everybody and he promises you all the holidays come to an end and he's going to see you all very soon. So until next time, take care and see you soon.